Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to sing the Five Little Monkeys song. And this is number 5. And we are going to count the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys are jumping, jumping, jumping on the bed. One fell off and boom, bumped his head. Oh, oh, ah, ah. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4. This is number 4. And let's count the monkeys with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys are jumping on the bed. One fell off and boom, his head. Boom. Ow, ow, ow. Mommy, I bumped my head. And Mommy said, okay. I'm going to call the doctor right now. And Mommy got the phone and she called the doctor. She said, "Hello, doctor." The doctor said, "Okay, I know why you're calling me. Can you please tell him no more monkey jumping on the bed?" But now we have 1, 2, and 3 monkeys. And we have the number 3. 3 little monkeys jumping, jumping, jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ow, 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 mommy. I bumped my head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2. 2 monkeys. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. This is number 2. One fell off and boom! Ow! Oh, ah! Oh, ah! Oh, ah! Oh, ah! Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkey jumping on the bed." Now I'm going to put number 1. 1 monkey's left. 1 little monkey is jumping, jumping, jumping on the bed. He fell off and boom, his head. Boom. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Put those monkeys back to their bed." And Mommy said, "Hey everyone, let's go to bed." "Okay, Mommy, we are coming." "Okay, Mommy, I'm coming. I'm sorry, Mommy. I'm sorry. Good night, Mommy. I love you. Thank you, doctor, for taking care of us. Good night." "Good night," the doctor said. "Good night, everyone. Good night, Mommy. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Good night, Mommy. I love you. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, doctor. I love you, Mommy. Good night." Mommy said, "Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night." "Oh, where are you? What are you doing?" "I'm here, Mommy. I was playing hide and seek with you. Ha ha." "Okay. Yes, Mommy, I'm coming now. I was just playing hide and seek with you, Mommy. I love you. I love you, Mommy. Okay, thank you, doctor. Thank you." "Okay, now you need to go back to bed." "Okay, Mommy. Good night. Now it's time to go back to bed. Now let's count the monkeys to make sure they all went to their bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put the number 5 because all the monkeys went to their bed. Now it's time for them to sleep. Da da dum. See, end of the story. I love you.